right, yes, welcome back to Morning Runs. And of course, we don't enter across the bridge with the workshop team. Everybody, they present. R&B, present, sir. Becca Bliss, present, sir. Baba Gode. Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Okay. Lady J.
Present, ma.
I remember how did they take all our name for school in those days now. R&B. Present, sir. Becca.
Present, sir.
But you know, say change did that level. There was a time when between the teachers they call the name. As we they grow,
maybe
the
class
teacher
captain, go give
can't leave
the
out for the
class
club
captain.
No, but sometimes the teacher, they, even when they don't leave them for class captain,
you see they around, make sure say
they call the name because if they find trouble, they won't know who know their class. You gotta call them Joy Panam. Say present, ma. Joy Panam. So answer small.
Present, ma.
Where is Joy?
don't be saying don't hear that.
Is your man penning you? Wait, answer me. Let me call your name again and you don't answer. You see yourself. Yeah. Joy Panam.
Present, ma.
Look at her head. He doesn't want time my lecturer for university. Constantly they call attendance for class.
For university.
Why would they miss class anyhow?
So but your matric number is supposed to call now.
Name. Your matric number, the matric number belongs to somebody now. Yeah. You go enter class, Dr. Oka, you go enter saying, okay, so I'm going to call you attendance now. Attendance is 10 marks. You go say, attendance is 10 marks. Whoever is not here, we miss
minus.
It. Because they call everybody name. You can't see where people you can't answer. Present, sir, present, ma. I don't know.
Wait.
Now you. Now you have to hold this.
As I hold, I not hold down.
You be man no they hold.
Okay, man, you leave am. Make the thing just
man no they hold with it.
No, wait till man one hold before now. You reason now.
Baba will continue. Mama, they listen. Just continue. Forget it.
No do more continue.
Man no they hold. Okay.
Wait till man one hold.
No wahala. So you go come they call register. Any attempt for you to miss that class that time. Or you know say sometimes lecturer if you don't for one or two stupid reason you don't late come class.
Yeah.
And lecturer need it. So most lecturer need to like make them first you enter class. Lecturer don't enter, don't they teach for. But this guy, if you don't enter, whether you get magnetic memory, you don't know. You know who did the last place for everywhere. You don't. You go just the right for board. You don't sneak in. You go just turn and enter.
You.
Mr. Godwin, will you please get out of my class? It
go shock you.
I know I entered here before you. If I repeat myself, you are carrying over this course. Straight away, they go come back, they go say, and R&B in the middle, I know you snuck in, get out.
We see these lecturers do as they enter class, they don't use I take calculate who
are everywhere. Either where space day, adjustment and everything.
The moment space not did here again, you know say somebody
I don't know. You don't enter. You know that's a man. I'm gonna teach. If they teach, you can't say. You go ask. Do you understand? Everybody will say. Somebody say no, sir. So what's your question? You go ask. You go say, well, I'm not explaining because confusion is part of the course. Because if all of you understand, I'm not a good lecturer. Confusion part of.
If all of them understand, not be good lecturer.
Yes, so somebody must not understand. That is how to be a good lecturer. The other one go come enter class like one man, Dr. Simoya go just come. It was for our first and second year. He catch us, so we don't know in pattern. You know, they get some kind of lecturer they go teach you from day one till you graduate because then that department. Tomorrow you just enter, you go there like this, just cut out a sheet of paper. Let's just do squeeze for 10 marks squeeze. Meanwhile, we know ready. We know they read. We just start. Lecture just section just resume. The semester just resume. You go come there. Just you do your hand. Just pull out a sheet of paper. All of us they fail. Most of us. So we don't know. Anytime we resume after like 2 or 3 lectures, you might do.
You go come.
So we don't prepare the wait for her. That day where I just enter class just like so.
Tear off a piece of paper.
I say you do and.
They don't wait now.
So you are ready for me. We are not doing any quiz today. I will begin with that. So we will do that quiz. He said, quiz is so casual that when you are ready.
How you take notes when you're ready?
It's our eye. All of us, you know the way students go down sit down, they look teacher. You don't say this is the plan. He said, no, you are ready. Quiz is for those that are not ready. All of you are ready. No way. Please, sir, do the quiz.
He said no.
You know, to which quiz, what would already read it? Go for that. You know that quiz.
But you know, the Nigeria system of education,
And
I don't
they
understand
totally
that today.
different.
We up say you got here.
He got one man, A.T. Yusuf. He's school for Russia. Now I'm lecturer. The man they struggle with English, Hausa, and Russian. It's a bit Russian pass Hausa safe. The man go they teach something. He get some words when if he pronounce with English, he go pronounce it in Russian. Say more go find out the meaning. Now the only way we can explain that.
That man I put in junior brother.
I tell you, he go say that word. I can only say it in Russian. I don't know the English. You go call him for Russia. So what is the meaning? I don't know. Go and look for the meaning. But this is what it does. You go call the engineering.
Yeah,
you go call tell you what the machine they do. But you know if he tell you the English name, not the Russian name. Very brilliant man.
You know, I remember.
Very inquisitive.
I remember one scenario, but this one for secondary school anyway. We get economics when we write exam. So we prepare for exam. Now, 9 member class they can say, "Excuse me, sir, where should we read from?" Now this is our second term, and all of us know say, second term exam. Now from your second term notes. So you can't tell them sarcastically that now whether na joke or something. Say read from first term. Everybody read from first term. I read second term. When the papers come up inside the class, hey, this one, no, we did not do this. I said, but this one this is second term now. Why una not read for first term? I tell you, say the score for that economics, it take quite low. At least my saving grace, say I read second term.
You get one man to teach us basic agri science for school. Though. The man for this one a lecturer about 60-year-old now, that old man they call him Baba Amodu. The man go say, A is for God. B is for me. C is for the best student. So most of you will fail. So most of you will fail this course. Just know, especially the farm practical. Man will carry us go farm. Same with the weed. Now in corn farm, you go carry us say the teachers how to weed. We they go weed in farm for them. You go come say you don't me whenever hold horse since them born me. You go. Cause say I got to say is this how to you are carry over you are faith.
So how come your palm can't soft now? Because if you really use that,
if they don't allocate portion give us, with the higher guys from Sama room they call us do. They go the higher guys who call us they weed the thing.
For me, I use hoe. I sabi use hoe. I use hoe well.
I know fit with the higher guys who go come do one for us. I go help you. When your corn come mature. Then people can't thief the corn. They want harvest, see and harvest. You don't fear.
The country just they hard. So the people inside the country.
They make them harder.
No, the country make the people hard. So they don't get any other choice than to transfer that hard life.
So all of us now.
That aggression.
I know say in those days, not be now where Google there everywhere, phone everywhere. In those days, only library.
Yes.
So like that man where they always get us quiz, where catch us that time say we don't prepare. One day just come class, just look all of us. Okay, you just write for board. You write poison, can't write ratio. Now, for normal person, English word poison, POISON. Now, poison, write poison, can't write ratio. Because this thing is not poison, no. It's poison ratio. Okay. Now, something for engineering about lateral strength over longitudinal one to one. You say, well, this is the next topic, but I'm not teaching you. Go and read it by yourself. It will be in your exam. Good day.
And so that they do.
And so we go library queue up the photocopy book to read them. In those days,
but
these days, just Google and
they'll show you tutorials on top YouTube and everything.
You just Google and see.
All right, let me move to the next one. They very short say if now the waiting they do for Nigeria right now, about go there, you know go get job, but R&B, thank God the baby no they grow. So you go get this job.
R&B go get
I
job.
will get job now. Now R&B no get job. Not be Taliban.
Yes, now.
Now R&B no get job now. R&B will be jobless now.
What will happen is I'll become terrorist.
Don't worry, you go buy enough. You go just go the next chemist, buy enough ventilated spirit.
Because if not they work, I don't try before.
Spirit no they work. Forget those gist.
Me, if not me, I go find woman with the fry yam. I go buy plenty and go chop and so I go choke me.
Nyam.
Now I go just go like that.
Nyam.
Make it choke you. If you ain't choke you, I don't want to.
And if you choke me now, go just.
Okay, you want your pep there.
I
I
go
don't
just
get job. I will put out that for Nigeria. You know the rate of unemployment for Nigeria.
I know now who overfeeding donkey?
Maybe the lady DJ.
Now over belefu you go belefu and you go get constipation, but overfeeding they give us.
All
Okay,
right,
give us the
they
booties.
say Taliban say they don't back government employees when no get beer from work. Ah, okay, now true. You go
I
get
don't get one.
Hey.
Well, we thank God at least 3 don't grow.
No, don't look down me. It's about 21 now. It's about 21. Now 21 they here.
You dey get cancer.
Yes.
You won't grow am.
Yes, now you
You
don't
know
know
they grow fast
since
like
that
that. baby.
time.
R&B, if you grow am, you know fine. You no go find.
No.
I find people for your eye.
You don't find for my eye. You don't find for my eye.
Lady J actually knows that you fine.
He
Lady J they
knows.
look and say this guy fine, sha.
Hey.
So you dey admire.
I know they admire am. First of all, he too lenge for me. Hey, he too
Lady
slim
J,
for my
people they
liking.
like R&B for that side they.
No, forget that
See,
one.
now I tell you this. You
I
know
want
say-
when person hold me, I know say person hold me. No be this cara this thing.
See, now you never understand. Lady never
When I say
understand.
hold me as in hug, if person hug me,
You
now
see all
I know
these
say
things,
person hug me.
We they call that defensive mechanism.
Na you
Wetin
sabi.
like you dey use that talk say you don't like
R&B, I say you no be my
So if
spec.
I be hugging, I don't feel anything.
No.
You sure? Oh yeah, come down.
Come do it.
But this smart you
Na
run
that
come-
you, na
you
that
run come up for
your,
them,
na
you
that
body
your
rub
lean
me.
fist. Now your lean fist. Now you want take hug
See,
me.
now where you like, then they talk about so.
Only a-
Lady J, my friends no go agree with you.
What
the,
if you
the
say your
guys
friends?
wey dance with
Because they left with testimonies.
Yeah, they all left with testimonies.
When they were
Actually said-
when R&B they about they
yeah,
grind.
they said they
They felt something.
Yes.
No be that one I dey talk about. Ah.
No, but
Una
na from
mind.
lean man na lean guy.
No, no be that one I dey talk about. Una don carry the matter go another level. You see?
Na full package. If you
I
say
say no be that
no,
one.
I just dey tell you say
Lady J,
benefits there with
Lady
somebody
J,
wey lean.
Yes.
I say we reach us. They tell me say, ha, there is God in heaven.
They say that your colleague, that guy.
They say especially when the story God go down, you can't put hand for.
They say they don't fit concentrate on the music
Don't be smart, you know. So
Because
Lady J,
because they were-
they blow trumpet.
because they feel some.
No be that one I dey talk about.
Okay, fine.
But Bobo ask this question. Talk true say I know the entire.
You know dey enter my eye. R&B.
See, the truth be say ladies like this, they know they like guy when they chubby. They like guys.
I
when
don't
they
want
slim.
chubby guy, but at least make the guy get at least.
I get flesh now.
Which flesh? Now this
I know they
lean,
hug
this
you,
lean
know they
hand.
feel am.
No, this lean hand.
no, you know
You
you.
never hug me temporarily, permanently.
Only a year, temporary, permanently.
You know say
Abeg,
if you get beard, you get advantage. If you meet baby like beard, you keep him. If you meet the baby no like beard, you shave him. But you
Yes,
know even get,
option
but you know
dey.
even get
Me
beard
no
now.
even get.
So
Na
if that's
even
why
the
you like
problem.
beard now, you don't know how you want to put the beard.
Problem. They now make my wife been want leave me for university. That time. Why beard gang yahoo boy be one.
Wow.
So now na qualification to work for Taliban na beard.
Yeah, so they say they don't instruct all government employees. Make all of them get beer. And make they adhere to dress code or risk being fired. They say representative from the Ministry for the Propagation of Virtue and Prevention of Vice. They patrol the entrances of the government office to make sure so the people where they enter, they na beer gang, they enter. So that they go there in compliance with the new. If somebody like Nasiru too. Nasiru gets much.
No, if he dey
He
train
go let
now.
am make grow.
Okay, now the thing I understand about Taliban.
Now some family like Fumi go qualify.
Of course,
Yeah.
definitely.
I think naturally the reason that they make laws like this, I don't want to call it law. The reason that they make directive like this now because naturally any men
Member
from
of
that place,
Taliban, they must
they
get
dey
beard.
always get beards. If whether not from the movies or you dey watch and you go see them, their beards are I always
Some
just like
baby they even reach
it
grand.
dey
sef.
long.
Terrorists always
extensively.
most terrorists for film they always get beard. And-
Why would I don't name them?
God, they calm down.
No, Taliban are terrorists. They don't be terrorists before. They terrorize Afghanistan. Now, not be them US fight how many times when we say they come finally. No, Taliban are terrorists. Forget. They be for Afghanistan. They did terrorize.
So
They
this
know
is
they
not
hear us. Don't
shocking.
worry. They don't feel quiet. No
Before
fear.
they say one
You
piece,
understand?
yeah.
So Osama get beard now.
Yeah, true.
So sometimes that beard too, now part
Who
of their
like this,
signature
oh?
and all that.
Yeah,
so,
not be lie.
And it never finish, oh. They say they also instruct them, say they must all be wearing their local clothing consisting of a long loose top and trouser, and they must always wear hats or
for
turban.
their hair.
Yes. So they were also told say make them ensure say they pray at the correct time. If for knock, I mean not Muslim they take do their
I think that's
time.
Yes.
So-
5 times a day.
5 times.
That
yeah.
time where the time
Make
reach
sure say
maga,
you go
say na
pray.
that time you must pray,
You
not
must
be
pray.
5 minutes after.
All this will
or
not be like
anything.
qualification to become an employee for that. For now, Afghanistan be this
Now
one.
then,
Right? The
now,
Taliban
yeah,
for
now
Afghanistan.
then they run things now. They are
They
new.
always talk. They also talk. Say for last week, say the Taliban banned women from taking flight without a male
Without a
chaperone
male, yeah.
and failed to open girls' school. So nothing like girls' school.
The girls know
As
they go school.
promised.
Say when they take over after United States come out, they first talk say all these
They go
things
allow
not go
women,
come back.
yeah,
They go
so-
allow women. But somehow I don't know what to happen. They don't go back to waiting people they fear.
This one
before.
I'm below part, no fit change his skin. So they don't they go back now. You must get beard. They don't go open woman's school. Woman no fit fly for aeroplane
So
with that
person
man.
when God knock
That
on
means a woman
place.
no fit drive there.
Eh,
No,
no, woman no fit drive
that
there.
one
Woman no
I
fit
would
do
dey part of
anything.
farm
You
talk.
understand?
Even
So-
to sit down for hotel self, you need to deal with man. That name
Chaperone.
chaperone must always deal with you. They don't say this law. See, but I just feel say maybe you go stop there, but for going this far, and I be like say people go win for that country really.
Since that they
Though.
no go Afghanistan.
What time I go do there?
I just dey tell
If
you.
they want to do show there, say me call host the show.
They can't do
They're
MC.
not able to show there. You don't know to say when United States come out, the first place when they go now to go club, go bust all the speaker.
Yeah.
You remember video show now when they
Yeah,
go
true.
club now.
Yeah, they
But
go
the-
club, they go gym too.
scatter all the things they don't want me on.
So the next story they hear where they say one court say they don't remand one man because he called Akwa Ibom State Governor sex maniac.
Yeah.
Now man call a fellow man sex maniac.
The
Now political
the
fight.
man called the governor sex mania. Where in the call am? Tell us.
More hear the story first after the
Yeah,
judge.
the chief magistrate court where they sit for Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, don't order 140-year-old man, Mr. Ndonges Ndok, to be remanded for the correctional center for publishing libel against the governor.
I bet pronounce the name again. Ndonget. I like the way you pronounce the name. You don't friend Calabar boy before?
Yes.
No wonder how you pronounce the name. The way Becca pronounce the name, she don't practice. What if your Calabar ex name?
No, not national radio, guys.
Okay.
Okay, then that guy want you to
Which
talk.
guy?
Oh, yeah, pronounce this guy name again. Just pronounce it again. Pronounce this guy name again.
Ndonges Ndok.
You know, I always wonder where Becca will get her experience from. I talk
Nada Abuja guy, ba?
No, which
this
Abuja guy?
the one where you,
Which one? I give you blow now.
when you say where you almost kill you, where you make you run.
Get out. I don't know say I call her where I don't say call her. They say this accused person, say popularly known as Soundcraft Owoba, on Facebook will say on March 16. Say he make offensive and derogatory social media publication against the governor by referring to him as a sex maniac. They say Ndok also alleged say the state commissioner for agriculture, Dr. Glory Edet, say na the governor side chic. They say,
I don't talk say na inside information.
make I repeat. They say in Ferdinand asking one
Make okay they talk now.
Continue. Now name now. Now name they pronounce. Continue.
Idi 222. They say now wetin he writes be that. They say the publication come follow one incident for the Ibiom Hall during the International Women's Day celebration, where the Commissioner for Agriculture, Dr. Edet, come alleged to have said she was the leader of women in the state in the presence of the wife of the governor. Mrs. Martha Emmanuel. They say the accused person can enter Facebook page or another social media platform to go abuse the governor. They say according to the charge, the accused had within the magistrate district in Uyo Metropolis knowingly and intentionally going to make that social media publication on Facebook, knowing the same to be false for the purpose of causing annoyance, insult, injury, or ill will against Governor Udom Emmanuel. They can say the offense is punishable under Section 24(1)(b) of the Cybercrime Prohibition Prevention Act for 2015. So,
Wahala.
yeah.
Wahala.
They even put the picture of the lady.
The lady when
when
they
talking
talk
aside
say
chick to the governor.
Well, the point, I mean, I will do come on two angles. For the court, I feel say the court, not do well by remanding him. I'll tell you why. That kind of case, no be case remand. You go saying one time that you will come answer.
But now defamation of character now.
I know. I don't say the guy innocent too. What I thought be say, prison too full. Person do defamation of character. Now murderer and all those kind of people they say okay. Like this guy. Like Abakari now they say na drug kingpin.
But you support that one, make the
yes, because why? The level way in day for the crime where they accuse him for in get connection. If in day outside, if he interfere with investigation. So by the time they lock him up, now what NDLEA talk. That's why you just say they don't show enough reason to say if this guy free, he even get resources to take off. If he run, go another country, go buy citizenship like one former minister do. Where they know if he catch him now. No, but when somebody say defamation of character, you go answer. Now in terms when they prove him for court. You go bring your evidence to talk what he talk. But that one, case they come from house, go do.
But
not be
somebody
say
having a side chick, not missing assessment.
No, now they talk say you go come prove why. Maybe why you call am checking that you know that you get soundtrack or whatever of the governor when you do something. If you don't get proof, say the governor they take the woman. I ain't don't hear the sound. Cause say based on this activity.
But the woman come as I say.
And then if he be say, I don't understand which woman you know where they go to say be. You not deny Monica Lewinsky until then cash and already done dead. So the point we say, whether the man get case to answer or not, that one nobody did dispute that. If he make defamation of character, he no get proof. They need to face the consequences of the law. Whether na governor, whether na anybody else, if he's not supposed to carry wrong information about somebody if you don't get proof. Now court go decide whether he get proof or not. But to go remand them because in a governor, not be remandable kind of thing. Get some case where we say okay, one time he come back.
Yes.
But in a drug kingpin, a murderer, now I make them remand them, which is why I default the team. But say they don't get right to carry and go court. No, they can. If somebody write rubbish about me, I carry you go court. If not two fighting now, say okay, you write the wrong team and you. They will tell you it's okay. When I come back on judge this case,
just be like this.
They don't remand anybody.
This girl, what it be her name when they dance for Instagram before it become DJ? When they talk about the prince.
The prince, yeah.
Tell somebody want sleep with you, but the chat not talk say you come for.
He tell you say you come for meeting for hotel. You say why? For what? What? You can't say okay, maybe I go do 3 ways. You say okay. You get right to change your mind. So okay, no one block you. Anyone block you. Anybody get right to block anybody
because they want sleep with you.
You can't say that because they make coming for hotel. I mean,
the mentality of so many Nigerian people.
We talk yesterday. Now I thought say so many of these events what they plan. Now if an inside hotel we do meeting for the pool side, for the restaurant, whatever.
Clean, you know go
yes.
If you get that in that regard, you carry person follow.
In fact, if I even fear Zoom, like saying say, can you come to my house? You go not say that in house now, and in control of everything. Maybe you go say, okay, why you go be your personal resident? Why not meet somewhere?
Yeah, somewhere.
But you can't say hotel get plenty things about for hotel rooms. You get restaurants, you get everything. And then if you see the girl page self, if you see the girl page self. You understand? So that because that person should be at the campaign you get, that means she assume say
everybody want to take her. So person when we say make up for
business. Now you know even they're patient enough to let us know what the police want really take you make or not. You too front, you too rush. If he say come hotel
for January,
okay, you go say yes, okay. Whatever the hotel, you go there, go with your friend or somebody.
This na something. He said the prince block her. But how you can't take a screenshot of your message when you get with him? That means since when you chat with you, don't screenshot and down.
Yes, now.
So
they prepare for what she go use eventually.
Again. So
she don't look for class now. She don't.
I hope say she don't get.
That's why I say if she don't get the popularity, even if you the suspicion na wetin you want, as long as he never tell you. So okay, I'm coming with my manager.
Yeah.
At that level, you be DJ, you can form and have a manager.
But not be saying
go with a male or a female or somebody.
Come to hotel room. He said come to the hotel.
Yeah, so
we have restaurants, we have conference inside hotel.
Yeah.
And everybody, if they go for meeting, you can go with a manager or a PA. Nobody will stop you. So at least if they fear, say okay, maybe now what you want, go with somebody else and then. And see what you go talk next, but no evidence for that one.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. And to all the civil servants, where they don't say, me na close early for.
By 1 o'clock.
Me na close early. Go
now only Abuja now.
Now those the Abuja supposed to go watch football now. No, but all about those the Lagos they need to go watch too now.
Me na close
like here now they're supposed to go.
Thank you.
Why you not talk come out? You not talk about they hear you.
Bye.
You want for government.
Bye.
Oh, our food, okay. Thank you, my politician
Thank
friend.
you very much for the food.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.